Hello, library patrons. This is Kelsey from SPL. We miss you all so much. Our crafty crew may not be able to meet in person, but these rolled flowers can be made from home. This is a simple craft that can be made with a variety of materials. You'll want sharp scissors, glue, a writing utensil, and felt or paper. First, I'm going to cut out this rose template. There are lots of different flower templates available online. If you don't have a printer, you can draw one instead. I'll show you how in a bit. I'm using a nice stiff felt that cuts easily. You can also use paper or even fabric. Place the template on the felt and trace around it. Then cut out the felt just like you did with the template. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, now we're going to roll up our flower. Always roll tightly from the outside in. If you let it go, it will loosen but not completely unroll. Last, glue it down. Hot glue works best, but you can also use double-sided tape. Let's try another template. To keep the template in place, it helps to tack it down with some pins. If you want, you can also cut out a small circle from a different color felt to make a center. If you're using a glue that takes longer to dry, I'd recommend using a paper clip to keep the flower in place. Next, I'm going to show you how to make two different templates from scratch. The first one is a very simple rose. You draw a loose spiral with the end closed off, then cut it out. I'm drawing this directly onto my origami paper, so that cuts out the extra tracing and cutting step. I'm making these flowers out of origami paper, but you can use construction paper or newsprint as well. Now, if you want more petals, you can have them. Draw the same spiral and add petals on top of it. They can be as simple or as complicated as you like. Be careful not to go over the lines. If you make a mistake, don't worry, it'll still look good. Rolled flowers make great decorations. You can make them into jewelry, string them together to make a garland, glue them onto the ends of your pens, give them stems and make a bouquet, or even tape them to your windows. If you make this craft, please take a photo and share them. I'd love to see the pictures. This is Kelsey from the Sycamore Public Library, and I hope to see you soon.